Hey everybody, it is Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this here light Vanity. This just happens to be the 3-fixture setup. The reason this is missing because I'm getting ready to share with you how easy it is to assemble and what all you get with this setup. And I'm gonna give you some extra measurements here so you have all your potential questions answered. Check this out. All right, so this is the setup. It comes in the box pretty much almost assembled. You literally only have to screw in one thing that holds these up. So the bottoms of these already have a screw device. This comes out, and it is a hard plastic. And then from an installation standpoint, it's pretty easy. So you take your glass piece, you slide it over there, you put the ring on, and then with your hands, it easily spins in and locks in place. You could do this with it currently being mounted on the wall or without. It's up to you. There you go. And then you get your favorite light bulb. These don't come with it, but these fit perfect as far as this fixture is concerned. And that is how it would look fully assembled in this example. Now, from a measurement standpoint, the openings on this right here are right at 3 3/4 inch, so your space here left to right, 3 3/4 inch. Your mounting plate, that's important to you, is right at 7 inches wide. The total width of the bar, the mounting bar, is 16 3/4. So 16 3/4 here, and then from the edge of the light fixture to the outside edge of the light fixture is about 17 end to end here, 17 1/4. So it kind of gives you some dimensions. And then how far does this sit off the wall? So if you're looking at this right off the wall, total right to the edge of the glass, you're at about 6 inches this way. 6 inches from your wall all the way out to the far edge of the glass that is right here. It does come with mounting brackets, so if you don't have a current light fixture installed, you do have some anchors in there as well and some wing nuts to do your wiring. Very standard setup in the back. You have your negative, you have your positive, and your negative, positive, and ground. From a finished look, these would be right here. And you'll see from the video here what this looks like completely installed. Now this is legit solid glass. If you're also wondering the total distance from top to bottom, you're looking at about 11 inches. So 11 inches from the very, very, very top to the bottom of this, 11 inches going this way. So that kind of gives you all the dimensions that might be important to you when it comes on deciding which one you want. And the last dimension that would be important could be the actual mounting plate, which is 7 inches by 5 inches. So this is a 7 by 5 mounting plate that would go up on the wall. So that might help you in determining if this is the right size. And I believe this company has a couple different finishes. This is sort of a metal pewter type finish that you can see there. Very nice and shiny. I think there's some other color options and then other size options as far as if you need fewer or more actual light fixtures. And that's one of 2 ways it can be installed. So you have the option of having the lights facing up or facing down. It's completely up to you. In this situation, you can see the lights are facing up because it just made sense as far as how this light fixture is mounted. You can see there it's very, very nice looking color as far as the LED filaments that are in there. A nice finish there on everything else. Looks really good, illuminates quite nicely. Now, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a review on our here Vanity light? Of course I said yes, but in no way whatsoever does it affect this review because I am just here to keep it real. Hopefully I answered any questions you might have about these light fixtures, and we'll talk to you soon.